Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in so you can access messages immediately. Open Mail. Google, com on a browser or launch the Gmail app, then enter your email and password. If you use two-step verification, complete the prompt. This step keeps your account secure. Once signed in, allow notifications if you want instant alerts. Make sure you're on a stable network and update the app to avoid interface differences. If sign-in fails, try incognito or clear cache before moving on to view your inbox. Once you're in your inbox, learn to find mail quickly with the search bar and operators like From or Has attachment. Use the primary, social, and promotions tabs or create custom labels to separate messages, which helps prioritize what matters. Select multiple messages to archive, delete, or apply labels in bulk. This keeps your inbox manageable. Make sure to use the star and snooze features for follow-ups. By combining search operators and labels, you'll speed through hundreds of messages without missing critical emails. Finish by handling messages, reply, forward, or schedule send. Use templates for repeated responses and confidential mode for sensitive content. If you use a mail client, ensure a map or POP is enabled in settings and verify sync frequency so new mail appears promptly. Make sure storage isn't full and check filters and blocked addresses if mail is missing. If sync fails, toggle sync off and on, then restart the app or device. That troubleshooting step resolves most delivery and visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.